How to fake skip on Monkey app. So there's going to be two things you're gonna need beforehand, which is a video of the skip. So you can go ahead and download this in your preferred browser, like a skip sample, or you can go ahead and record the little clip that pretty much shows when you skip somebody. But other than the video itself, you're gonna have to download OBS as well. So go to your preferred browser, search for OBS, and download OBS. So once you have those two things ready, you're gonna have to go ahead to your device manager, go to your search bar and search for device manager, open it up and go to the cameras section. Make sure everything in your cameras is disabled. Once you've pressed on disabled, go to the Monkey app itself and it should show something like this. So the OBS logo with a camera off thingy. So what you're gonna have to do now is just go ahead to your Monkey app. So in your Monkey app, it's just gonna show something like this, the OBS logo, and your camera is off. So just go ahead and minimize the app itself first. Go back to your device manager, go to your cameras, and enable the integrated camera and only the integrated camera. So press on enable. Once it's enabled, open up your OBS. So in your OBS, go on create a new scene. Make sure the sources are off. You don't have to do that, but make sure there's no sources yet so that you won't be confused. So press on the plus over here and go to the video capture device. This is the sources that will take your face or your actual camera. So once you're there, press on OK on this. You can change the name if you want, and make sure the device is on integrated camera. So press on integrated camera and press on OK. Then you're gonna have to add another source, which is the video of the skip itself. So go press on the plus sign again, media source, and go ahead and browse on the local file. What you're gonna have to do is find the video itself, press on that and press on open, and it's gonna show something like this. What you're gonna have to do then is press on the loop as well and press on OK. Then it's gonna show something like this. Make sure it's centered with the video itself. You're gonna have to crop it, or as long as it's centered. What it's gonna show to the Monkey app is basically this over here. So you can start the virtual camera, which is this button over here, and make sure it's always on top as well. So go to the view and press on always on top. So once you go to the Monkey app itself, it's gonna show something like this. So this is your screen over here. It's showing the little clip where it's skipping somebody, but it's actually just you yourself controlling it. So if you want to go ahead and show your face, just go ahead and press on this. It's gonna disable this one and it's gonna show your face instead. But that's pretty much how you fake skip on a Monkey app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.